What is the capital of California? You nailed it! Sacramento is the capital of California. Which state is known as the Sunshine State? Absolutely right, Florida basks in the sunshine. The Grand Canyon is located in which state? Correct! Arizona is home to the magnificent Grand Canyon. What is the smallest state by area? Spot on, Rhode Island is the smallest state. Which state is famous for its beaches? You got it! Georgia is known as the Peach State. What is the capital of New York? Correct! Well, NYC is bigger. Albany is the capital. Which state is home to Mount Rushmore? You're right. Mount Rushmore is in South Dakota. The Aloha State is also known as ... Correct! Aloha from Hawaii. You knew that one. Which state borders Canada to the north and Mexico to the south? Absolutely! California shares borders with both countries. What is the capital of Texas? Right on! Austin is the capital of Texas. Keep it up! Which state is known as the last frontier? You're on a roll. Alaska is indeed the last frontier. In which state is the Space Needle located? Correct! The Space Needle graces the Seattle skyline. What is the capital of Illinois? Exactly right. Springfield is the capital of Illinois. Which state is famous for the Kentucky Derby? Of course, the Kentucky Derby is a legendary horse race. What is the capital of Florida? You're right. It's Tallahassee, not Miami. Which state is home to Yellowstone National Park? Primarily in Wyoming. You're correct. It also extends into Montana and Which Idaho. State is known as the Bay State? You're absolutely right. Massachusetts is known for its bays. What is the capital of Pennsylvania? Correct! Harrisburg is the capital of Pennsylvania. Which state is home to the Golden Gate Bridge? You got it! The iconic Golden Gate Bridge is in California. Which state is known as the Garden State? Correct! New Jersey is known as the Garden State. What is the capital of Colorado? You're absolutely right. Denver is the capital of Colorado. Which state is home to the Alamo? Remember the Alamo? You're correct. It's in Texas. What is the capital of Nevada? You got it. It's Carson City, not the more famous Las Vegas. Which state is home to Death Valley? Primarily California, but partially Nevada as well. You were close. Which state is known as the land of 10,000 lakes? You're right, Minnesota is known for its many lakes. What is the capital of Louisiana? Correct. Baton Rouge is the capital of Louisiana. Which state is home to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park? You're right. The Smokies straddle the border. Which state is known as the Green Mountain State? Correct. Vermont's Green Mountains give it its nickname. What is the capital of Arizona? Correct. Arizona is home to the magnificent Grand Canyon. Which state is home to Mount Denali, formerly Mount McKinley? Correct. Denali towers over the Alaskan landscape. What is the capital of Michigan? You're right. Lansing is the capital of Michigan. Which state is home to Niagara Falls partially? You are correct. New York shares Niagara Falls with Canada. What is the capital of Georgia? You got it. Atlanta is the capital of Georgia. Which state is home to the Everglades? Correct. The Everglades are a unique ecosystem in Florida. What is the capital of Oregon? You're right. Salem is the capital of Oregon. Which state is home to the Redwood National and State Parks? Correct. The majestic redwoods are in California. What is the capital of Missouri? You got it. Jefferson City is the capital of Missouri. Which state is home to Acadia National Park? You're right. Acadia National Park is in Maine. What is the capital of Ohio? You're absolutely right. Columbus is the capital of Ohio. Which state is home to the Chesapeake Bay? You're partially right. The Bay is primarily in Maryland but also extends into Virginia. What is the capital of Utah? You got it! Salt Lake City is the capital of Utah. Which state is home to the Badlands National Park? Correct! The Badlands are in South Dakota. What is the capital of Mississippi? You're absolutely right. Jackson is the capital of Mississippi. Which state is home to the Gateway Arch? Correct. The Gateway Arch is in St. Louis, Missouri. What is the capital of Arkansas? You nailed it! Little Rock is the capital of Arkansas. Which state is home to Crater Lake National Park? You're right! Crater Lake is a stunning site in Oregon. What is the capital of Indiana? Correct! Indianapolis is the capital of Indiana. Which state is home to the Grand Teton National Park? You're right! The Grand Tetons grace Wyoming's landscape. What is the capital of Connecticut? You are correct. Hartford is the capital of Connecticut. Which state is home to Denali National Park and Preserve? Correct. Denali National Park is in Alaska. You aced the last one.